Now, in case of Botswana, why is it so important? So, first of all, they are providing us some cheetahs, but it is having very interesting geographical phenomena also, right? So, this is the country of Botswana. Where would you find it? So, it is just above South Africa, and to the east of Namibia, to the west of Zimbabwe, right, and Zambia, right? So, it is in the southern African region, right? It is in southern Africa, right? It is not sharing its borders with any of the seas or oceans. Hence, it is landlocked, right? But for us, the even more interesting aspect is that you will find a desert by the name of Kalahari Desert here, right? I'm hoping that you would have heard about this particular term, Kalahari Desert. This desert is a very important desert in a very interesting way. Why is it so important? So, in Kalahari, a river system is draining into it and forming a delta inside the land, right? So, what is happening here is a river by the name of 𝐾𝐨𝐰𝐧𝐥𝐤𝐬 river, right? 𝐾𝐨𝐬𝐬 river, if you would see here, this river is rising in Angola and forming its delta in this Kalahari Desert. Now, this is known as an inland draining river. You remember? So, this is an inland draining river. Now, can anyone tell me which is an inland draining river in India? It is very, very important river. Which is a similar river in India? Anyone? Let's hope some of you are able to give me the right answer, right? Which is this the state that is associated with the river, with an inland draining river in India? Which is the area where this particular river is draining into, right? So, let's see who is able to tell me the right answer, right? So, here what is happening is this Okavango Delta is flowing from Angola and it is entering Botswana, and then it is forming a delta in the Kalahari Desert region, right? It is forming a delta in the Kalahari Desert region and it is disappearing there, right? That is why inland draining. So, it is forming a delta in Kalahari and finally disappearing there. It is not able to reach any of the water bodies, neither Indian Ocean nor Atlantic Ocean, right?